on 29 June, acting on a tip of a Naga was set up by OC Khatkati SI, Raju Dara and other officers of Khatkati PS along with one section of C-20 CLPF Camp Bokazan. At about 9 am, a bus bearing registration number AS21C9306 was intercepted and recovered 10 sub boxes containing 129.34 grams heroin from the possession of a lady, namely Sarada Rao, 26-year daughter of Kulma Rao, resident of official colony Lamding Police Station, Lamding District, Hosai. The drugs packet are concealed in her body. Further, on the basis of her statement, a raid was conducted in the Mapol at Hotel New Can Room number 312 and 311 led by John Dust, APS SDPO Bokazan along with OC Khatkati and stopped with the help of a East PS Dimapal and recovered another 2 packets of heroin weighing 28.14 grams heroin. 1 male and 2 ladies are arrested from the hotel. Dulaun Mazumdar, 26-year, son of late Komal Mazumdar, resident of South Hill Colony Police Station, Lamding, Hojai. Smiti M. Hashi, 44 years, W.O. Liba, resident of Thingba Kulen Police Station, Senapati, Manipur. Smiti Te Rabina Lana, 37 years, W.O.K. Moses, resident of Khamsam Karong PS, Senapati, Manipur. Thus, total weight of recovered heroin is 157.48 grams. One vehicle bearing registration number AS06D6199 also recovered, which belongs to Dulan Mazumdar.